and the Strike Master starting the air show itself off.
First our 12 display screen this afternoon is the BAC Strike Master, essentially an armed version of the Jet Provost, the Mark V aircraft. The Strike Master is modified with a motor-rated engine. It's got wing hard points, it's got a strengthened airframe, and new communication and navigation gear, and uprated ejection seats, along with a revised fuel system and shortened landing gear. These aircraft have actually seen active service in places like Ecuador and Oman and Yemen, and used in combat. In total, 146 of them were actually built. This one is based at an airfield near Chester, which is also home to the Airbus company. Aircraft today is going to be heading up and using a maximum height of 3,000 feet, so it's essential we're communicating as well with the international airport to let them know exactly what's going on with the Strike Master at the moment. Displaying some low-level maximum G-turns, barrel rolls of course, and there's going to be a slow pass as well in just a short while. This aircraft is flown by Mark Petrie, who has a career, quite a career behind him. Formerly in the RAF flying fast jets, now a captain with British Airways flying on the Boeing 777 and also the brand new 787 Dreamliner. If you take some that you're about to see being displayed was designed by German engineer Walter Extra, and it was the first of the composite airframes ever to be built. It was built in 1991. There are only 2 flying examples in the world today. It's powered by a 6-cylinder Lycoming engine that develops 315 horsepower and is powered by a 3-bladed composite MT propeller. So that's a brilliant example of what 315 horsepower can do for you. Allows you to climb vertically. construction of this aircraft is basically steel tubes welded together, then the surfaces are covered with composite carbon fibre, Kevlar, and also fiberglass. And we were talking about G-forces in the last display. This particular airframe is stressed to plus or minus 10 G, so plus 10 G, 10 times your weight. Steve, the pilot, could be experiencing in this aircraft during the display. The aircraft just hanging there in the air. It does have a climb rate of 3,000 feet per minute and a roll rate of 360 degrees in 1 second. So when you see him doing these manoeuvres, the level of fitness and concentration is absolutely huge. That is a long time ago. So I'm glad it's fascinating aircraft we're going to see flying next. Also a lot of history to it as well. They were born in 1972 to share something in common. With the helicopter we're going to see the flying in just a while. 43 years old. This is the Huey helicopter. Neil Airy is the pilot who's flying it. Was chatting to him earlier on. So tell me about the display. Summed it up with one word, and that was noisy. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, could I ask if you are in the car parking area, you're sat on the grass at the moment. As you can see, more and more cars are arriving. All the on-site car parking has been pre-booked. So could I please ask you, if you haven't done so already, to maybe move forward towards the crowd line? Airfield.
Spitfire and Hurricane.
You'll agree, just an absolutely amazing noise from the Spitfire and the Hurricane. Royal Air Force Battle of Britain Memorial Flight operates from RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire. Aircraft are seen at events commemorating World War II, state occasions, things like Troop in the Colour and the like, at the Queen's birthday, and of course displays across the United Kingdom and Europe. And His Royal Highness Prince William, the Duke of Cambridge, is the patron. Amazing stuff from the Spitfire, produced in greater numbers than any other British combat aircraft. Some 20,341 to be precise Spitfires were built, 22 different varieties, including the navalised Seafire. And the aircraft remained in production for around about 12 years. Prototype of the Spitfire made its maiden flight on the 5th of March 1936, and the Mark I Spitfire entered RAF service with 19 Squadron in August 1938. Spitfire, of course, was a vital aircraft in World War II. Entered service and across the war, was updated to keep pace with improvements in performance of enemy fighters throughout World War II. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for a lost child at the moment. Caleb White, age 6. So if you have a child with you who's a little confused at the moment, lost children come to the bottom of the control tower. Caleb White, age 6. If you've lost your mum, your parents, your guardians, they're waiting for you at the bottom of the control tower, which is the big brick and blue building. Last thing we believe on the funfair. Caleb White, age 6. Spitfires, like the one you're seeing displaying today, fought in every operational theatre of the war and remained in RAF frontline service right up until 1954.